Art and AI software continues to evolve and improve, leading to beautiful artwork in a timely manner. The amazing thing is that today, beautiful AI art can be created as a beginner. We're going to go over some examples of powerful prompts and which software to use. When beginners start creating AI art, they should consider which AI art generator software to use. Some of the best AI art software that we suggest are GetImage.ai, OpenArt, ArtSmart AI, and LimeWire. Most of these tools have free versions to try. Links are in the description if you want to try these tools out. Let's go over some basic concepts and terminology. An AI graphic design art generator, or AI art software, is a tool that uses artificial intelligence to create images based on textual prompts. A prompt is a text input given to an AI generator that describes the desired image. Model refers to the algorithm or set of rules the AI uses to create art. Next, let's go over some AI art prompts for beginners. AI art prompts are the creative inputs given to an artificial intelligence program designed to generate visual art. These prompts can range from simple instructions, specifying subjects, styles, or themes, to more complex and abstract concepts that challenge the AI to interpret and visualize ideas in unique ways. By providing an AI with a prompt, users can experiment with a vast array of artistic expressions, including mimicking the styles of famous painters, generating fantastical landscapes, or even creating visual representations of emotions or dreams. AI art prompts can be as varied and imaginative as one desires. Here are a few examples to illustrate the range of prompts one might use to generate AI art. Simple descriptive prompts such as a serene mountain landscape at sunrise, a portrait of a woman with flowing hair in the Art Nouveau style. Style-specific prompts such as an abstract painting in the style of Jackson Pollock, a cubist interpretation of a cat. Conceptual prompts such as the embodiment of joy as an abstract composition, the clash of order and chaos in a symbolic artwork. Historical or cultural prompts as follows: a scene from a Shakespearean play in a Renaissance painting style, a landscape painting that incorporates elements of traditional Japanese ukiyo-e prints. Also, emotion or sensory prompts like the feeling of solitude in a vast desert, visualized, a visual symphony of euphoria and energy. The creative process in AI art involves leveraging technology to transform ideas or prompts into visuals. Artists often begin by seeking out sources that spark creativity. Inspiration can strike through a multitude of avenues, including browsing online galleries or using tools specifically designed to ignite the artistic spark. Artists refine their approach through a process of trial and error, using tools and techniques such as parameter adjustments, experimenting with settings within AI programs to alter the detail, contrast, and style of the output. Prompt crafting, which is becoming skilled at writing detailed prompts to guide the AI, discovering what terms and descriptions yield the desired result. Feedback loops, iteratively adjusting input and reviewing the output to hone the AI's performance to match the envisioned style. Learning AI art involves diving into practice while also engaging with a community that shares knowledge and experience. Try. Experiment with various prompts and settings. Analyze. Review the generated art to understand the AI's interpretation. Modify. Adjust prompts and settings based on the analysis for improved outcomes. Artists should prioritize creating a compelling digital portfolio, which serves as an essential tool in attracting potential buyers and galleries. Producing AI art can be profitable for artists or save money for business owners. The new AI art software can save time and money on production costs. As AI art continues to evolve and software continues to improve, it is becoming easier than ever to create art. AI software can significantly improve time to produce and lower costs for graphic design. Thanks for watching the video. Check out the description for links to recommended AI art software.